You want the room your mom got? You want her to move into the littler room?
She doesn't even sleep in her bedroom, so...
Watch what happens when Steve asks why her mom won't sleep in her own room.
Well, since we in it, let's go finish it off. Why doesn't mommy sleep in her bedroom?
Because she doesn't like to hear my dad snore.
Does he snore really loud?
Yes.
Have you ever heard him?
Yes.
What's it sound like?
Yes.
Like that? You really crack me up.
Would you dare roast your parents like that on camera?